see what is inside. Foam, some colored polystyrene. That looks mysterious. Let's open it. What is inside? Oh, more of this. Okay, I'll put them aside. I'll fill this polystyrene back and then try to open that package. Okay, I'll put it now away. Everything is back here. Now let's bring this up. Now we can open it. Oh, okay, solid chip. What is it? Oh, Tele Vue Ethos. Tele Vue Visionary 13mm Ethos trademark 100 degrees. Okay, let's open this. Tele Vue Ethos 13mm, probably one of the best Ethoses. Ooh. It comes with a Tele Vue label, warning, card, screw, and a document for it, and then we come to the cream a la mode, and that's the Ethos itself. Ooh. Let me remove the cap. That is a beauty. Oh, look at the wide field of view. I can see almost the whole painting. M31 Andromeda Galaxy. That's the wide angle. It's amazing. That's a true wide angle. Okay, this is a Tele Vue Ethos 100 degree 13mm eyepiece. And let's see the view, how it looks through this eyepiece. Very clear, sharp. Okay, that was the view through the Tele Vue 100 degrees field of view 30mm eyepiece. The telescope I'm using is my lovely Skywatcher Apochromatic ED80 Pro Series gold version, 3¼ inch. Short tube, f6.5, focal ratio. Okay, this was really good. Let me just compare it with the APM 30mm eyepiece.